this. You want to become a runner, but every time you start, you quit after a week. Why? Because you're focused on the outcome. I want to run a 5K rather than the identity, I am a runner. That's where Atomic Habits by James Clear shines. It's not just about building habits, but transforming who you believe you are. The first hidden gem, identity-based habits. Most people chase goals, but Clear flips it. True, lasting change comes from shifting your identity. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, say, I'm a healthy person. This way, every choice you make aligns with that identity. Want to read more? Don't aim to finish 10 books in a month, identify as a reader, and start with just 5 pages a day. Make the small, consistent actions a part of who you are. Studies show that when you link habits to your identity, you're far more likely to stick to them. So, start asking, what kind of person makes these choices? And make decisions that reinforce that version of you. The second hidden gem is embracing discomfort. Growth doesn't come from staying comfortable. Clear talks about how the best habits are hard at first, and the real challenge is pushing through when it feels uncomfortable. For example, you want to hit the gym, but it feels overwhelming. Instead of aiming for an hour-long workout, just commit to 10 minutes. The key is showing up even when you don't feel like it. Studies show that people who set challenging but manageable goals are more likely to achieve them. So, set small, actionable steps. If you're learning a new skill, aim for just 20 minutes a day and track your progress. The key? Learn to be okay with discomfort, because that's where the growth happens. So Atomic Habits isn't just about creating better routines. It's about becoming someone new and embracing the discomfort.